recently I released a little lecture where I said, who is right, your mother or your wife? The answer is, or who do you love more? The answer is, when it comes to who is right, you've got to look at what the issue is. If your mother is wrong, respectfully, very kindly, you can actually correct her, or you can move away in order to portray your dissatisfaction. Ibrahim alayhi salam beautifully told his father, Ya abati, inni qad ja'ani min al-ilmi ma lam ya'tik. فَاتَّبِعْنِي أَهْدِكَ صِرَاطًا سَوِيًّا. Oh my father, I have some knowledge that did not come to you. Follow me, I'll guide you to the right path. Subhanallah, if we were to tell that to our fathers, we'd be kicked out of the house. Right? That's what happened to Ibrahim alayhi salam. He was kicked out of the whole community. They threatened